Insulin resistance and sensitivity are critical aspects of metabolic health, influencing how effectively the body processes blood sugar. When someone is insulin resistant, their body's cells don't respond well to insulin, leading to higher blood sugar levels and potentially setting the stage for type 2 diabetes. On the flip side, insulin sensitivity describes the scenario where cells respond appropriately to insulin, maintaining healthy glucose levels and metabolic function. Treatment and management typically involve lifestyle changes such as diet, exercise, and sometimes medication to help the body use insulin more effectively. Risk factors for insulin resistance include obesity, a sedentary lifestyle, and a diet high in sugars and unhealthy fats, while genetics can also play a role. Here's a detailed exploration of the intricate dance between insulin resistance and sensitivity, aspects that are pivotal for maintaining our overall wellness. Metabolic response, insufficient versus normal. Insulin resistance is a pathological condition where cells in the body become less sensitive to the hormone insulin, which is crucial for regulating blood glucose levels. A widespread issue found in conditions such as type 2 diabetes and obesity. Insulin resistance manifests when the body requires higher amounts of insulin to achieve glucose homeostasis. In contrast, normal insulin sensitivity maintains metabolic balance with standard insulin responses. Differentiating between these states is critical for early intervention and management. For instance, patients with insulin resistance often exhibit elevated fasting insulin levels, while those with normal sensitivity show appropriate insulin levels with effective glucose uptake, presenting a distinctive differential in metabolic response profiles. Addressing insulin resistance not only helps in controlling blood sugar, but also in preventing the cascade of complications like cardiovascular diseases, thus underscoring the need for a nuanced understanding of an individual's metabolic response. Insulin signaling, impaired versus efficient. Insulin resistance and sensitivity are two sides of metabolic coin, both integral in the nuances of diseases such as type 2 diabetes. When insulin sensitivity is optimal, cells respond appropriately to insulin, promoting glucose uptake and maintaining blood sugar levels within a healthy range. Conversely, insulin resistance is a reduced cellular response, leaving glucose circulating in the blood, gradually leading to hyperglycemia. This condition strains the pancreas as it overcompensates by producing more insulin, further exacerbating insulin resistance. This cycle not only dramatically elevates diabetes risk, but also introduces complications like cardiovascular disease, highlighting the critical role insulin functionality plays in metabolic health. Glucose uptake, reduced versus unaffected. Insulin resistance is a condition where the body's cells are less responsive to the hormone insulin, which regulates blood glucose levels. This reduced sensitivity results in decreased glucose uptake by cells, compelling the pancreas to produce more insulin to achieve the desired effect. Over time, high insulin levels may lead to type 2 diabetes, as the pancreatic beta cells become exhausted. Conversely, individuals with insulin sensitivity experience efficient glucose uptake, maintaining balanced blood sugar levels with normal or lower insulin amounts. Identifying whether a person has reduced or unaffected glucose uptake is a critical factor in determining the risk of metabolic disorders and tailoring appropriate interventions and treatments to mitigate insulin resistance or maintain insulin sensitivity. Risk of comorbidities, increased versus decreased. Insulin resistance is a condition where cells in the body fail to respond effectively to the hormone insulin, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. Over time, this can result in type 2 diabetes, a significant risk factor for numerous comorbidities, including cardiovascular disease, kidney failure, and neuropathy. Conversely, insulin sensitivity denotes a healthy response where cells readily absorb glucose from the blood, aided by insulin. Individuals with higher insulin sensitivity have a decreased risk of these comorbidities. Lifestyle factors such as diet and exercise play a crucial role in influencing insulin responsiveness, with regular physical activity and balanced nutrition enhancing insulin sensitivity, thereby mitigating the risk of associated diseases. Treatment focus: lifestyle modification versus maintenance. Insulin resistance and sensitivity play critical roles in managing diseases like type 2 diabetes, wherein the body's ability to process glucose is impaired. When insulin resistant, cells in the muscles, fat, and liver don't respond well to insulin and cannot easily take up glucose from the blood. Treatment often requires lifestyle modifications aimed at improving insulin sensitivity, such as regular physical activity, dietary changes to reduce intake of sugars and refined carbs, and weight loss. On the other hand, when cells are insulin sensitive, they effectively use glucose for energy. Maintaining this sensitivity is crucial for metabolic health. In individuals with healthy insulin sensitivity, the treatment focus shifts to maintenance, which involves continuing a balanced diet, regular exercise, and monitoring to prevent the development of insulin resistance. Tailoring intervention to the degree of insulin responsiveness is key for managing and preventing related metabolic disorders.